Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how I created this cute little fox keychain out of die cuts and 2mm craft foam sheets. Now I do want to give credit to Scrap Diva 29. She had a very similar project using paper. She has a great YouTube channel, so check her out. And stay tuned till the end because I have a surprise. We're celebrating my birthday, that's right, so you'll want to hear all the details in the end. I purchased these dies on aliexpress.com. I will leave the links below so you can check those out. I'm going to now die cut some green foam, also some orange and white, and start to get to piece it all together. Now the great thing about foam is that it's so flexible, so you could easily squeeze it through the keychain, but don't glue it just yet. Now I wanted to add some shade to the fox, so I used a burnt orange with a little paper towel and I wet it and I just rub it around the face of the fox, and then I use orange for the other half of the face of the fox. So it is a great way to add dimension, and foam is so fun to work with that any color you put on it, it just looks so nice and smooth. So I pieced together the fox and I glued it onto the keychain and it looks so cute. I added a little flower in the center as an embellishment. Now I am using super tight all-purpose universal glue. The reason why I like this glue is because it is safe, non-toxic, and I don't have to worry about burning my fingers with hot glue. I absolutely love it. If you want to use my 15% off coupon code, I will leave that in the description box below. To further embellish the keychain, I added some pom-pom ribbon. I added glue in the center and the keychain is done. And now for the fun part. Since it's my birthday week, I will select one of my viewers to receive this keychain. All you have to do is comment below with a life quote, a birthday quote, or anything you could think of for my birthday. I will select the winner on May 17th, Friday. This is only open for US viewers, so stay tuned because I will be replying to the winner on YouTube. Take care and thanks for spending your time with me. Until next time, God bless.